The reality is we make tailored products which we work with our strategic partners on. And those tailored products are designed to be further tailored on an intimate basis with the client. So we have various rules that we can and can't do, and the base product is well ahead of what they can buy in their own right. Okay, so the benchmark to start is very important. The insurer knows about that and knows that if it's a Steadfast branded product, it's better than their standard product. Now, on a daily basis, we're fortunate enough to have at our head office in Sydney, most of the major insurers having somebody daily in our office as a direct connect. So if something goes wrong, from a whole plethora of reasons, they're there. So they're our direct connect into it. So the association allows us to have direct access into the insurers by a physical person. And that means that if there's a trend or something's moving or something needs to be amended or there's some legislative changes that require a movement in the policies, we can do them pretty well quickly and straight away. So the association is very important to the clients because they're not out there just as a numeric policy number sitting in cyberspace. They're actually connected right through with personal interaction to the insurance company. And that's very crucial to put a human face on the transaction base. Yes, we have to transact electronically. Yes, computers rule our lives. But the reality is, people are what we are in the business of. The relationship to sell the product, the relationship to alter the product, and the relationship with the insurers are all people relationships. They're not electronic. They're not done by some paper transfer. They're done by, this is what's happening, we have to amend, we have to fix. So that's what the association means on a daily basis to the consumer. An ever-moving product, not something set in stone, not something that will not be moved for years, but will move with trend, will move with market pricing, and will move with any legislative changes that require the policies to respond.